Hello and welcome back to another day of the trading journey. No, of the journey to everything. Today will be a quick market recap. There wasn't any high quality setup to take a trade off. There almost was, but then it never really happened. So no trade were taken, just to clear that up. So today there was basically no news that would impact me very much. Maybe the less volatility from the JPY bank holiday, but both of those red folders here didn't do much. Yes, I'll get right into it. We were bearish on both GJ and UJ. So I marked out this 4-hour high on GJ, and then also this 4-hour high on UJ. On the 1-hour time frame, I marked out the same high. No, actually I didn't. I marked out this high, which instantly got swept, and also broke structure to the upside. So I had to go on the 15-minute to take a trade here, and I'll just finish this off. So yeah, price sweeps here and then stays above. So we break structure to the upside, and then 9 a.m. candle just goes down, targets these lows, but then and almost breaks structure. If I make it larger, so we have this low, and then this low even gets taken out, and then we just push back into it. There wasn't a single formation of a fair value gap, just always these very large wicks because price just really didn't move, as seen on the damn. Why is it taking? So if we look at the 4-hour, we can see that this is just absolute dog shit. Normally on the 4-hour, we expect at least pretty solid candle like this one, this one, this one, even this and this one. But today, damn, yeah, we just had a pretty normal candle at that was yesterday. Then the 3 a.m. candle was just shit already. And then the 7 a.m. candle was a complete doji, and then followed by another complete doji. Just terrible price action. Price didn't move one bit, not even until New York Open. So just absolute trash price action. I'm still a bit sick, so I have this ginger tea with me here. I'm not sure if it's too hot. It is definitely too hot. Anyways, so on UJ, bearish as well. I mark out the 4-hour high to get swept. Go on the 1-hour. Price obviously gets swept here. And then I also mark out this high. It's not really, or it doesn't look like a high, but it is an actual high, just because we have two solid candles, one up, one down. Price instantly sweeps that, break structure to the upside. I go down to the 15-minute, mark out this order block, wait for a fair value gap to form somewhere in here, just so I don't have to use all of that as my kind of trade setting, because taking, I think, yeah, just having to use all this would just, even for a crazy move, would have only given me like a 1-to-1 or something like that. So I didn't want to use this whole order block as a confluence. There was this bullish fair value gap that got closed below. but for one, I would have gotten stopped out here multiple times. And then secondly, there was no break of structure to the downside until 10:15 a.m. So I couldn't take this entry because the break of structure was missing before the confluence. Then it turned to 10 a.m. I think when the bias change was. No, bias changed at 11 a.m. Before that, there wasn't a single entry. So I go down after 11 a.m. I go down to the 5 minute because now 4 hour and 1 hour bias were matching again, and price just takes out both of these highs out again, pushes into the order block. I mark out this one here, this bullish fair value gap, the first fair value gap that formed basically. And I just waited, or I just wanted for price to just push down here, but then this one was my last candle and just blew it up, and in the end there wasn't a single setup that I could trade. I'm still happy with myself though, just because I woke up very early and was very nice on time. I had my whole setup finished at 8:30 a.m. and I had a half an hour to, I guess you could call it waste, or yeah, you don't call it. I guess I was able to waste half an hour just because I was already done with my preparations. And in the end, I stuck to my discipline and my rules and didn't take a trade on a setup that wouldn't have been favorable for me. If I would have traded New York session, I probably would have found an entry somewhere within here, but I don't do that, so nothing for me to do here.